Well, hello everybody, it's me, Frustrated Nigella, and today I'm going to make a really nice Filipino dessert called Yema. This lovely dessert, all you need are 7 egg yolks, condensada or condensed milk, some butter, and some nuts. Hi guys, we're gonna pour our frustrations away. Ooh, it's so satisfying to watch. Now we gotta mix it all up until it's all blended. Yeah. My choice of nuts are walnuts. These are good for your brains. And I know some people who need to eat more of these. You gotta chop them up like that and mix it into the world. Yeah, sometimes you gotta blend in. Because if you're too weird, now it's time to cook this. We gotta melt a knob of butter. It's time to throw in the rest of the ingredients into the pan. And now you're gonna mix it and mix it and mix it. Make sure your fire is not too strong. And mix it and see you later. Alright guys, after 10 years of mixing this, it has come to this point of no return. So transfer it to another pot and let it cook. I am super clever. You know why? After making this batch of Yema, I forgot. How am I supposed to wrap that shit up? I don't have a wrapper. So guys, my problem now is I do not have a wrapper. And this doesn't work because it doesn't stick. Anyway, you guys, this is the final product. This is called a Yema. It's Yema.